Unit 42.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install and review some side indicators, LED ones, for 2005 Ford Fiesta. I have been asked to review these by an eBay seller called Ultra HIDs. I purchased these with my own money to ensure this was a 100% authentic review. Inside the box we have a instruction leaflet and the two side indicators themselves. Link will be in the description as to where you can purchase these. These cost me $19.95 for the pair. I think these side indicators are great. I would personally recommend them. The link will be in the description below. I really like how bright and vibrant these indicators are. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you like the video.